Two productivity giants. One all about deep knowledge, the other built for team speed. Which one really delivers? On the left, Obsidian, your private, customizable second brain. On the right, Asana, the cloud workspace powering team productivity. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
Okay, quick rundown before we dive in. Here's the mind map of everything we're comparing today. Core functionality, collaboration, data ownership and privacy, pricing, customization, and, offline access. Ready? Let's kick off with core functionality. All right, Obsidian. It's seriously amazing for knowledge management. You want to link notes together, create your own digital garden, make that knowledge web. This is where Obsidian shines. But, when it comes to actual task and project management, things get a bit quirky. Like, it's there, but it feels kinda cobbled together with plugins and manual setups. Now, flip to Asana, and man, this is the heavy hitter for projects. You're getting automations, task dependencies, timelines, all that beautiful structure that makes a project manager's heart sing. But here's the catch. If you need that deep, interconnected knowledge base, Asana's just not built for it. Data for projects stays in silos. Still, for pure project management, Asana is just smooth. So, winner here? Yeah, Asana takes it.
Let's talk collaboration. Obsidian lets you get a little teamwork going, especially if you're tech savvy and up for some setup with shared vaults or using Obsidian Sync. But real talk, it doesn't have real-time editing out of the box, and it can be a bit fiddly setting up for teams. Asana, though? Oh, this is slick. Real-time commenting, notifications, assigned tasks, all that team goodness. Even cross-functional or distributed teams? No problem. Small catch, though. Some of those premium collab features do need a subscription. Still, for collaborating and keeping everyone in the loop, Asana is just way ahead here.
Data ownership and privacy. Now, this is where Obsidian absolutely crushes it. Your notes, your data, all stored locally. Honestly, you control exactly where everything goes, and there's no forced cloud sync unless you want it. Privacy nuts? Rejoice. Manual backups can be a thing unless you spring for Obsidian Sync, but at least you own it all. Asana, though? Well, your stuff lives on Asana's servers. It's totally SaaS. Sure, the security standards are enterprise grade, and you get auto backups, but you never really own your workspace. If you're big on privacy, Obsidian wins this round, hands down. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Obsidian fans actually refer to their whole setup as a second brain, which sounds honestly kinda epic. Meanwhile, Asana folks, they're always talking about how much faster they ship projects. Guess you can see what each crowd loves. Now, pricing. Obsidian is honestly a steal. The core is free forever. Tons of plugins and themes, open source. If you want Obsidian Sync, it's a one-time payment, not a forever monthly thing. Only slight downside is a few advanced features aren't free. But honestly, you've got so much freedom without paying a dime. On the flip side, Asana offers a free plan, which is cool if you're on a tiny team or just starting out. But once you step into the world of fancy features, admin tools, integrations, you're going to need a subscription. And that's starting around $11 a user each month in 2025. So, if you're watching your wallet, Obsidian takes the win. Customization and flexibility. Oh man, if you like tinkering, Obsidian is just wild. Community plugins, full workflow configs, markdown, code blocks, backlinks, you name it. It's like unlimited creative freedom. But, small warning, the learning curve is real, and it'll take some time to set everything up just right. Asana, meanwhile, gives some solid flexibility too. Kanban, calendar, lists, automations, integrations with your favorite business apps. But if you want deep template hacks, Obsidian's just on another level. So, for the creative customizers, Obsidian definitely comes out ahead. Offline access, super important if you're working on the go or hate being tied to the cloud. Obsidian works offline by default. All vaults stored locally, zero internet required. Only caveat, syncing across devices does need some manual setup or their paid service. And Asana, some stuff works offline in their desktop or mobile apps, but let's be real, most of the magic happens in the cloud. So if offline is your jam, Obsidian steals this round too. Visualizing the scores now, you can totally see Obsidian dominating on privacy, cost, customization, and offline. Meanwhile, Asana's way ahead when it comes to team collaboration and pure project management muscle. It's kind of wild how different their strengths are. So, my honest take, if deep privacy, knowledge building, and fully customized workflows get you pumped, Obsidian's absolutely where you want to be. Perfect for researchers, writers, or anyone wanting to craft the ultimate personal productivity system. But if you need to run teams, keep everyone in sync, and not worry about fiddly setup, Asana is your go-to. It truly owns the project and collaboration space in 2025. Ready to level up your productivity? Go ahead, try building your workflow in Obsidian or manage your team in Asana and see what actually clicks for you. Whatever fits your brain best.